we are. This is a bottle of Coke, and these are Mentos. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. We didn't get them all in. We're gonna go again? Nah, we ain't going again. Hey, in the next few videos, we have these. More Mentos, Cherry Pepsi.
What did you do?
Yeah. This is Pepsi time. It might explode because we shook it up. It's fine, we can just continue. Wait, let me get some Mentos.
Wait, pass one.
Here's two.
No, we have more packets.
Oh my God. Oh. Let me just
Oh.
do the Pepsi now.
What's
That was
wrong?
horrible. Okay, now we can continue with this now.
After bro just literally threw up. Far.
Okay, Mentos time. It's about to get really messy. It's about to get more messy than you. Just open it up and tip. Don't take them all out, just... You see that? This is it. No, there's a video on YouTube. You can watch it.
What?
We have done.
Oh, what's going on?
Hey, don't tip it.
Wait, I want this. Wait, did you spit in it?
God, I nearly died.
Did you drink out of it already? Daddy Toby. What? Why would you do that?
No, Daddy.
Wait. Yeah, you pretended to be sick so then you didn't have to play with your friends. He's just going to break that, so.
Goodbye.